guys how to find a secret map in Monkey Do. It's like Girl Tag, quite different. You don't just push on the ground like this. In this game, you have double jumps, by the way. But you grab these two buttons that show the controller on this game. These two buttons where it shows blue, I'm pressing them right now. That's how you grab them. And how you double jump is you do this, then you basically just push down with both controllers. About showing you guys how to start to get to this. You grab on with both hands. So basically you push forward and double jump. The easiest way to do it. This is it. It's pretty fun. I love it. I love this game so much. It's a really fun game. It has better graphics than Girl Tag. Girl Tag kinda like it's kind of fun, but this is funner. Although Girl Tag is OG, I think this game's new, like more the new games. Play around this game for a little bit, then I'll also talk to you guys, but then I'll show you guys the new update in this game. Came out April 1st. It's the Ruby Mine. I like looking in the patterns of the sky because it has interesting it has interesting features. Like all these are maps. Let me show you guys. That's a map. This one down here. Let me wait for clouds to go away. Oh no, there's even more. Right down there. You can kind of see it. Let me go down. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. That's another one. That's not one over there though. There's also a cage in the map that I'll try and find. Geez, I wonder why it's so cloudy inside this game today. Like actually, all the other days, it's no, it's kind of like sunny out usually. I mean, it's sunny out all the days, but this is really cloudy. That's the cage map. There are different maps. That's like Banana Chase, Survival. This is in the Banana Chase map. This is it. Yeah, this is it. That's also another map right there. Right here, that is this map. This map is it's the same thing. It's just that isn't the real one. Usually there's like a statue in the middle right there, and there's like those things that's hanging around, like those little islands those have zip lines. I think you can kind of see a zip line on the left one. It faintly, but you start like on those islands, then you zip line down, and the first banana is gonna be right where a statue is. There's also gonna be a alligator that's swimming around. If you get in this way, he's gonna kill you. But that's gonna be the first one. Then these platforms, like this one right here, is all like where the bananas go. I'll show you guys the ruby mine. I gotta go into one that's joined. This is my room code. Maybe I can make a live and I can play with you guys. This is crash site. It has drawing range. Mostly you just hang out with your friends or just random people that you want to play with. I think his name is Congo. This guy's name. I think so, but let me guys show you. The ruby mine came out April 1st. That's the Battle Pass rewards. You go over here. I'm right here. I'm pretty far. I just started today, I think. Yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday. But usually you get right here, so like $8. You press that, you get it, and you can grab onto this. Let me show you. Like all the ones on this side are all exclusive with the Battle Pass. You have to mine out with this. All these ones on this side are, oh yeah, this one. You can dig it out. I just got one. 500. There we go. These, you have to all mine them out with this. These ones are already like dug out. You just press it. They're pretty useless ones, but it does the job. Usually, I know where you got start. You guys usually start. Let me respawn him over here. You guys usually start like right here. There's like a whole entrance. I got that far. It's kind of crazy. Just in 2 days. This was a free one. This one was the purple poop. You throw at people. I know I need 9 more over here. And just ride that with this. It's so much more easier. Over here, I showed you where you are. I know what you get at the end. I saw people wearing it. I don't really want to tell you guys right now. It's kind of secret. I mean, I'll give you guys a hint. This ammo could be like anything. but the hint is they live in Antarctica. It's not a good, kind of good hint, not really. Could be a polar bear, not helping you. But I mean, if you guys like don't have this, I don't know if you guys have it or not. But when you guys get all over here, it takes a while to get it. This is a hand. I'm gonna get this in 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 actually. Never mind. 8. Can't mine these rubies out. Usually like right here. Over. I'll show you guys. Right here. This is ruby. You get 100 each one. Yeah. You get 100. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of them, so you guys should get 1,200. I already spent mine on the new gadget. So I should be getting only, let me see, 1, I only got 2. No, I got 3. So I should only be getting 900. I'll end my video here. I hope you guys had a great Easter. Gosh, I don't know what's happening with fans. Bye.